How's it going? Pretty good. Mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Sure, what's up?
Yeah, so what you working on today?
Ford Ranger. Yep.
So what do you got? What's the repair? AC or?
Yeah, AC compressor went out on it. So I'm doing the whole AC system up to the expansion valve pretty much.
My name's Brad McClure. I'm a recruiter for the Ford dealership. We're going around the state for Oklahoma and highlighting technicians, dealerships they work in, putting them on YouTube and Facebook stuff, trying to get younger guys interested in coming up in this. As we got a lot of people retiring, trying to show them, what the nuts and bolts are. So, how long you been doing this?
Probably about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, I started over in Colorado Springs. When we moved out here, I've only been here for about 2.5 months now. So yeah, but I mean, I do everything there is to do. I mean, everybody here works on just about everything on the car. I got a transmission torn apart in there right now. Do a lot of heavy line work, but I do drivability concerns, really anything. And the only thing we don't do is body work, and that's all over there. But yeah, everything we got here does everything you can think of.
So Colorado Springs, Colorado, that's where you started at?
Yep.
With Ford dealers up there? And then,
yeah, Philon Ford up there.
So how did you end up in Altus, Oklahoma from Colorado Springs?
My dad was born here. Yep. But after he got out of the military, he ended up moving back down here. He stayed, and now it's just too expensive to live there, man. It's crazy. It's close, yeah.
Cost of living here seems to be really good.
It's way lower than where I was, I'll tell you that much. The city, it's still pretty high. In Oklahoma City, but it's still not as bad as Springs.
Yeah. And you're close enough to Oklahoma City, it's just like an hour or so away. So.
Honestly though, man, it's getting out of that whole scene, man. It's just so I really like it here though. They treat us really well. Definitely probably one of the top 2 best places I've ever worked.
That's good, man. You can't say that about a lot of places.
I'm nice to be there. And the only reason I say that is I just haven't been there that long, but I mean, they're really good people. They took me at my word, I've tried other stuff. I've always come back to working on cars. I mean, I've tried working in restaurants, I've tried selling cars, tried whole kit and caboodle, and I've just always ended up coming back to doing this. It's just what I know. Mechanically inclined like this.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man. Thanks for taking the time. I know you're flat rate. I'll get out of your hair.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You too. Thank you for watching. And remember, if you or someone you know would like more information about employment at an Oklahoma Ford dealer, please contact me at 918-928-7433 or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Oklahoma Ford Dealers Technician Connection. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.